visualization technique to help you find sine and cosine of some special angles. If you spread out your left hand in front of you with your thumb pointing up, represents pi halves, which is the same as 90 degrees. Your index finger pointing towards the top right corner, it represents pi third, which is 60 degrees. The middle finger represents pi fourth, which is 45 degrees. The ring finger represents pi sixth, which is 30 degrees. And the pinky pointing to the right represents 0 radian or 0 degrees. We count the number of fingers above any special one. So let A equals number of fingers above, B equals number of fingers below. Then we can find cosine of theta. As far as theta is one of these angles, 0, pi 6, pi 4, pi third, or pi halves. Then cosine of theta equals square root of A over 2. And sine of theta equals square root of B over 2. I'll give you two examples. For example, we want to find the value of cosine of pi 6. Pi 6, I use a triangle to represent it. If we are finding cosine, we find the number of fingers above. We count the number of fingers above. 1, 2, 3. Plug in, replacing A. We have root 3 over 2. Another example. If we want to find sine of pi fourth, I use a square to represent pi fourths. We're finding sine function. We find the number of fingers below the square. We have 1, 2. So sine of pi fourths is the same as root 2, replacing b by 2 from the formula, divided by 2.